Weldmaster is the industry leader in manufacturing hot air, hot wedge, radio frequency, and custom engineered machines for welding thermoplastic materials. Weldmaster has a versatile product range from standard machines to complete automated systems. Today, I'm going to be showing off our T300 Keder Max machine. The Keder Max is designed to automate the production of Keders and utilizes several innovative designs to increase output, decrease labor, and produce a quality Keder all day long. The Keder Max is controlled through an intuitive and operator-friendly HMI program that allows for easy adjustment and weld parameter savings, such as heat and speed. Our Keder Max machine utilizes a heavy-duty material payoff and Keder cord dispenser capable of a multitude of width and cord diameter ranges to accommodate your individual product. The material payoff and Keder cord dispenser allows for easy loading of the cord and material and makes product changes and reloads an easy process for the operator. Our Keder material is pre-folded utilizing a guide system that feeds it to the welding station. This guide setup allows for a hands-free operation and allows for a fully automatic production. The Keder Max uses our time-tested hot air system for the fast and continuous welding of thermoplastics. We can set the Keder Max to do a variety of Keder weld styles, including single and double flap designs. This is done through a quick guide change. We can also quickly change over to a wider or narrower weld with a quick change of the rollers and nozzle. Once the Keder is welded, we utilize a chilling system to cool down the Keder. This allows us to rewind the product cooled and under tension, allowing for a much better looking product when it's unrolled. As the Keder is chilling, it will be pulled under tension into our rewind system. Keeping the material under tension from start to finish gives us complete control and allows us to create a perfect product. The material is then paid into our oscillating pulling system. The oscillation allows us to rewind the material without it falling over on itself and allows for easy storage and shipment once it's done. The Weldmaster Keder Max is capable of welding thermoplastic materials ranging from PE, PVC, PU, PP, and many more. The main industry this machine serves is Keder style welding. We can also quickly convert the machine to make a variety of other products as well, such as defender wires for our truck curtain customers, T-tapes for ducting, and a variety of other edge tapes for many other industries. There is no more efficient way to produce Keder than with a Weldmaster T300 Keder Max. It is the simplest and most cost-effective way to produce high-quality product. Please contact sales@weldmaster.com for more details and information on how we can design a machine specific for you and your products.